Hi! In the previous episode I showed you how to make pasta using exact measurements. Today we're going to roll out the pasta, make some fettuccine and spaghetti with it. I'm going to show you how to do it by hand or with a machine. But first we have to make some new pasta. Unfortunately I'm out of 00 flour, but due to the current situation I don't want to go to the supermarket just for 00 flour, so we're going to use normal white flour. To start, we need a bowl and we're going to crack some eggs in it. Good. I'm going to make pasta for 4 to 5 people today, so I'm using 4 eggs. Now we need to weigh out the eggs. I'll put this aside. Put the scale on 0. Weigh the eggs. 194 grams. So we take the calculator, as I showed you in the previous episode. 194 times equals 329.8, so 330 grams of flour we need. So now we're going to measure out the flour. In this case I'm doing times 1.7 instead of 1.65 because I don't have 00 flour and we just want a little bit of extra. What did I say? 330 grams, okay. Whoa, 345. It's a bit too much. Put a little bit back. And now it's turned off. Why? Why does it happen? Let me reset it. I'll be back. I got a new bowl from the kitchen. Let's try again. Turn it on. What was it? 330 grams. So 330 grams. We're going to use this to make pasta. First put in the flour. Put in the eggs. Oh. And then put in some salt, which I forgot in the kitchen also. Preparation is everything. Yeah, eyeballing it this time. Like that. Now, turn the machine on, it's already on. The hook, I'll show you. The hook is in. Splash screen is on. And we'll just turn it on. And now we let it mix for 8 minutes. Well, I'll be back in 8 minutes. The dough has been resting in the fridge for half an hour. But before we start on the dough, let me explain something about the attachments. We're going to start with the lasagna attachment. It's got a setting from 0 all the way up to 9, and the higher the number, slower the gap. The closer the gap is going to be, and it makes the pasta thinner and thinner and thinner. After you make the pasta thin, you can take the this is the fettuccine roller, put it on there to make fettuccine, or the spaghetti roller to make spaghetti. But first start rolling out some dough. So you have the cling film. Put a bit semolina flour so you don't get dust anywhere or everywhere. Cut the piece off. the rest back in, so it doesn't dry out. And now, just flatten it a bit and roll it out. A bit thinner, because if you put it like this, it doesn't fit into the lasagna setting. Lasagna thingy. Now it's thin enough to fit through here, so we'll take this off, put this on. Other way around, works better. Make sure it's on 0, turn on the machine, set it on setting 1, and then just roll it through. And now we'll stretch the dough a little bit. After we're done, just fold it over a bit, roll it out again, because we don't want one long stretch, we want it a bit wider. We'll put it through again. We're going to do it one more time. This. Go through again. And go 2-1. So it's a bit narrower now, and now the pasta gets thinner. And you can see, also longer. Don't drop it. Setting 2. I'm pulling it through twice, because once you pull it through, it tends to stretch back a bit. So if you put it through twice, it gets a better result, better end result. Setting 3. As you can see, it's starting to get longer also. Setting 4. Great entertainment, look at me making pasta. La, 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 la. Setting 5. I think this will be thin enough for what we're going to do now. So we want to make fettuccine and spaghetti. For that, this is thin enough. Fold it over so it doesn't stick, and turn it off. If you want to make tortellini or something like that, you need to go thinner, because as you can see, if you put this on together now, you get a really thick dough mass, and that's not good to eat. But for this, it's good enough. So we'll cut it in 2, because this is way too long. And first let me show you how to do it by hand if you don't have a machine. You just put some flour on it, roll it up. Don't press it, just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Take your knife and make it as wide or as narrow as you want. So you can just cut it like this. There you have your fettuccine. As you can see, roll it out and you just got beautiful pasta. If you want to do more than just one, Other way around. Do it with this. Put it at the side. Just for demo purposes, I'm going to cut this in two. The spaghetti gets a bit short now, but otherwise I have to roll out again. I understand you don't want to see me rolling out pasta all day. So put this through. And as you can see, whoop, nice fettuccine comes out. Yep, turn it off. And then we also have the spaghetti attachment. And that's basically the same thing. You just put through and spaghetti comes out. Well, I'm going to finish making my fettuccine now for the dish I'm going to make tonight. So I'm going to pick these up again. Just that's the beauty of this. If you mess it up, just pick it all up, make it in a bowl again, roll it a bit out so it's a bit flat. And just put it through the machine again. Oh, don't forget it. Put it on 0. And there you go. So you can roll it out all over again. As you can see. And put it again on setting 1. Put it through. Setting 2, etc. Well, you get it. Of course, you don't want to see me rolling out pasta for 10 minutes on end. I thought I'll finish it for you, but look at this. Beautiful fettuccine. And even with normal dough, just not 00 flour, you can get stretchy fettuccine, and it's going to cook up real nice. I'm going to finish up here, and I'll see you next time. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and press the thumbs up symbol. See you next time.